They shall not grow old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
When you go home, tell them, others, and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today.
Well, good afternoon, sir. My name is Flying Officer Sutherland, and I'd just like to share a few words. Today, we gather to commemorate and celebrate a remarkable chapter in our shared history. 8 years ago, amidst the tumult of World War II, 4,000 brave Caribbean men journeyed across the seas to the North Yorkshire coast, where they joined the Royal Air Force. Their courage, resilience, and dedication were pivotal in the fight for freedom and justice. These men left behind their homes and families, driven by a profound sense of duty and the desire to contribute to a cause much larger than themselves. Like myself, they came from the sun-drenched islands of the Caribbean, bringing with them a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. Upon arriving in North Yorkshire, they faced the harsh realities of war, the challenges of training in a foreign land. Yet, they stood proud, their spirits unyielding to the adversities they encountered. As we reflect on their sacrifice, we also honour the rich legacy they have left. Their stories continue to inspire future generations, reminding us of the strength that lies in differences and importance of standing together in the face of adversity. Today, we celebrate not just the past, but the impact of these extraordinary individuals in our present and our future. Let us remember the warmth and hospitality that the people of North Yorkshire extended to these Caribbean men. It is a reminder that in times of great strife, acts of kindness and acceptance can forge bonds that last a lifetime, generations. In remembering these 4,000 men, we pay tribute to their indomitable spirit and their unwavering commitment to the values we hold dear. It is my hope that we can ensure that their legacy is preserved and passed on, so that future generations may draw inspiration from their courage and dedication. I'm very thankful to be here with all of you today. I want to personally thank you for coming together to honour these heroes. May their memory continue to shine brightly, guiding us towards a future where the sacrifices of the past are never forgotten and the spirit of unity and resilience continues to thrive. Thank you. Yeah.
Alderman Cockrell to say a few words.
Thank you. First of all, welcome to everybody who doesn't live in Filey to sunny Filey. Sunny day. Yesterday was Armed Forces Day, when we recognise the service of the present day members of the three arms of our services. Today we celebrate and commemorate the service of those who went before. 30 years ago, I had the privilege, as the then town mayor of Filey, to welcome around 40 veterans of the West Indian Ex-Servicemen's Association who had undergone training at RAF Hunmanby Moor in World War II. The veterans arrived in Filey on the 4th of June 1944, just 2 days before D-Day. The service was held in Murray Street by the Memorial Gardens, which was followed by a march past of the veterans. I was honoured, together with the High Commissioners from the Caribbean and the High Sheriff of North Yorkshire, to take the salute as those very smart and proud men marched through the town centre. There followed a tea at the Trinity Church schoolroom. As we gather today to honour and celebrate the service of those veterans, we are reminded of the immense sacrifices they and others made for our freedom and security. We celebrate and commemorate those contributions, and we are deeply grateful for the courage, dedication and resilience they demonstrated in our time of grave need. All those years ago, they answered the call to serve in the fight against tyranny during times of great uncertainty and peril. Their commitment to protecting the values we hold dear, together with their steadfast resolve, have left an indelible mark on history. We acknowledge the personal sacrifices made by all who trained in Filey and its environs and served in conflict. The long deployments away from their homes, plus the moments of personal hardship, are a testament to the extraordinary resilience displayed by all of them. The stories of perseverance in the face of adversity inspire us and remind us of the true cost of freedom. Their contribution not only protected all our nations, but also contributed to building a better world. Today we stand united in expressing our deepest gratitude. It seems inadequate to just say a heartfelt thank you, but we do. And in gathering today, we look to the future with hope and determination, inspired by the example of all those who serve. We strive to uphold the values they have fought for and to work towards a world where peace and justice prevail. In closing, thank you to all our veterans for their service, their sacrifice and their dedication. Their bravery and commitment continue to inspire us all. We will remember them.
Thank you. Well, I'd like to start by thanking Flight Officer Sutherland for coming and saying some words, and for Alderman Cockrell for his kind words, and all of you for gathering here today. Some of you I know have travelled long distances, but don't worry, you will be back home in time to watch football this afternoon. Except for my brother Basil, who's come from Jamaica, so he's got to go. But delighted to say we brought a bit of the Caribbean here today to the streets of Filey. And last weekend we celebrated Windrush Day, and last Sunday the Filey soldiers being commemorated at the Memorial Gardens in the Caribbean contingent, their very own comrades in arms being commemorated down here on Queen Street. But thank goodness we booked Graham the Bugler first. We heard him today. He's marvellous. But wouldn't it be wonderful if this year we could all come together in November and celebrate in one place at the Memorial Gardens, standing shoulder to shoulder as all these great men, regardless of colour, fought and sometimes died, shoulder to shoulder. And I hope that I live to see that day. Thank you all.